In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CSV transactions in Monarch Money step by step. Let's dive right into it and get started on efficiently managing your financial transactions. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Monarch Money website by entering the URL in your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. This is your hub for managing financial data, and you'll want to make sure you have access to your dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll want to click on the Add Transactions button. This is typically located in the Transactions section. By doing this, you're taking the first step towards updating your transactions with a CSV upload. Now, it's time to enter the essential details for each transaction. Begin by typing the transaction amount. It's crucial to enter this accurately, so double check the figures to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. This simple yet foundational step ensures everything adds up correctly. After inputting the amount, proceed to type in the name of the merchant. This adds context to the transaction, helping you track where your money is going. Being detailed with merchant names makes reports clearer and more comprehensible. Following that, choose the date of the transaction. Accurate dates are vital for reflecting the correct timeline of your financial activities. Make sure you're selecting the right date to maintain the integrity of your financial data. Then, you'll need to select the appropriate category for this transaction. Categories help in organizing and analyzing your spending habits. Whether it's groceries, utilities, or entertainment, choosing the right category is vital for insightful financial tracking. If you have a specific financial goal you're working towards, now's the time to link this transaction to that goal. This can be a useful way to monitor how individual spending impacts your overall financial objectives. Optionally, you can add any notes to the transaction for additional context. These notes can include specific details that may not fit into other categories, such as special occasions or one-off incidents related to the transaction. When you've filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click on the Add Transactions button to finalize your entry. This action will update your records with the new data, ensuring that your financial statements are up to date. Once your transaction is added, take a moment to review what you've just inputted. Click on the transaction to verify that all the details are correct. If you need to, you can make quick edits. Finally, if you have any relevant attachments or receipts, click on Add an Attachment. This is where you can upload any supporting documents, which can be highly beneficial for record keeping and future reference. And there you have it. Your transactions are now successfully uploaded into Monarch Money using a CSV file, making your financial tracking smoother and more efficient.